Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync device contacts with Gmail. This process ensures your important connections are safely stored in your Google account, making them accessible across all your devices. We will walk through the simple steps to set up this synchronization, covering both Android and iOS platforms. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of how to keep your contacts updated and secure, providing peace of mind and easy access. For Android users, begin by opening your phone's Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accounts or Users and Accounts. Select your primary Google account from the list. Inside your Google account settings, locate and toggle on the Contacts Synchronization option. This action will initiate the transfer of your device contacts to your Gmail. Also, remember to set your default save location for new contacts to your Google account. If you are using an iPhone or iPad, start by opening the Settings application. Scroll down and tap on Contacts, then select Accounts. If your Google account is not already listed, tap Add Account and follow the prompts to sign in. Once your Google account is added or selected, make sure the Contacts toggle is switched to the On position. This will allow your device contacts to synchronize with your Gmail. To confirm your contacts have synced, visit Contacts. Google, on a computer or another device and sign in with your Google account. You should see all your device contacts listed there. The benefits are numerous. Your contacts are automatically backed up, preventing data loss. You can access them from any device, anywhere, simply by logging into your Google account. This ensures your contact list remains consistent and readily available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.